Hi, friends. Welcome back to our Flutalk English, where we learn and smile.
And sometimes laugh at our own mistakes.
We do that a lot.
Today, I want to tell you something I tried last month. It's small, but it changed a lot for me.
Okay, I'm curious. Spill it.
I decided to read in English for 5 minutes every morning.
Just 5 minutes?
Yep, no big plan, no big rules. Just 5 minutes before I touched my phone.
Wait, before your phone. That's already impressive.
I know. At first it was hard. My brain wanted to scroll. But after a week, it became normal.
What changed?
I stopped waiting for a good day to start. I started small enough that my brain didn't fight it.
That's smart. We often think we need 1 hour to study, but then we do nothing.
Exactly. 5 minutes was so small, I couldn't say no. And here's the funny thing. Some days I kept reading for 20 minutes without planning it.
That's the magic of starting.
And soon it wasn't just reading. I started writing short notes in English too.
A chain reaction. One good habit starts another.
Right, and it happened naturally.
So how did you make sure you didn't forget?
I linked it to something I already do. Every morning I make coffee. While the coffee brews, I read. No reminders needed.
I love that. Habits are easier when you connect them to something in your routine.
What's your hook for English?
When I wash dishes in the evening, I listen to an English podcast.
That's perfect. No extra time, no stress.
But let's be real, some days you don't feel like doing it.
Oh, yes. Some mornings I was tired or late. That's when I used my bare minimum rule.
What's that?
Do the smallest version, just to keep the chain alive. For me, that's reading 1 sentence.
1 sentence?
Yeah, even if it's short, it still counts.
That's important. We think progress means doing a lot, but sometimes it's just not stopping.
Exactly. The smallest step matters most on the hardest days.
So, friends listening, maybe your first step is listen to 1 minute of English, write 1 short sentence, or learn 1 new word.
Yes, pick something so small you can do it even on your busiest day.
And connect it to something you already do, like coffee time, walking, or brushing your teeth.
English doesn't always need a desk and a big book. It can live inside small moments.
And when you keep those moments day after day, they grow.
Slowly but surely.
Before we finish, let's look at some vocabulary from today. Consistency. Doing something again and again. Example, I practice English every day. Routine. Something you do regularly in the same way. Example, my morning routine is coffee and reading. Trigger. Something that reminds you to do another thing. Example, the smell of coffee triggers me to read. Chain reaction. One thing causes another. Example, reading made me write more.
Bare minimum. The smallest you can do to keep going. Example, I read 1 sentence when I'm busy.
Remember, friends, you don't need to be perfect.
You just need to show up.
Start with something small today.
We're proud of you. See you in the next episode. Bye.